Stop chasing leads and let automated systems work for you. Discover India's most result-driven insurance lead generation platform, featuring high-converting forms, Google CRM tracking, and instant WhatsApp automation. Insurance agents often lose money due to slow follow-ups and inefficient tracking. Traditional lead sources can be expensive, and manual management often leads to missed opportunities. Proper automation can solve these headaches. We handle targeted ads and pipeline setup so you can focus on closing. Our service includes meta lead form creation, live data syncing to Google Sheets, and automated WhatsApp greetings to ensure you connect with prospects. The automation process is simple. A prospect fills out a form, an instant WhatsApp message is triggered, and their details are synced to your CRM, alerting you immediately to follow up with high-intent buyers. Our model is pay per lead at just 250 rupees, including free CRM setup. There are no monthly software retainers or hidden fees, and we offer a lead replacement guarantee for invalid contacts to ensure you get value. See the impact for yourself. One advisor in a Tier 2 city increased their monthly leads from 12 to 94 and doubled their policy closures in just 30 days using our automated CRM and instant WhatsApp follow-up system. Ready to scale your policy sales? Book your 30-lead pilot batch today to receive your free Google CRM and WhatsApp automation setup. Start automating your sales process now.